Hey everybody, welcome to the Subtac Off-Road Life channel. My name is Greg, or Subtac, or Mac, it does not matter. Today is going to be the third and final part to the Trucks Gone Wild Plant Bamboo Okeechobee, Florida Muddy Valentine event. And I know there's a few of you that are wanting to see the Bogs and Boulders 10th anniversary event, but I got to get this one done first, and then I'm on to those. So without any further ado, meet some of my friends that I met there. Well, let's get dirty.
Trucks Gone Wild, Plant Bamboo, lots of mud and adult beverages. Although these were the prevailing themes at Plant Bamboo Mud Park, they weren't everything. I met some really cool people, as I usually do when I go riding, and spent much of my time riding with them. After all, in the end, it's all about friends and good times, right? Meet Mike Davis, welder extraordinaire. If you need something fabricated, Mike is your man. He's also the de facto leader of this crew.
Did he stop?
Probably took a piss.
Maybe so. Go back? Hey, you want to run over there and see if you can see him? Which way?
Then there's Lenny. Lenny is the type of guy that, as soon as you meet him, you are instantly friends. Chocolate milk and cookies are his go-to snack. He has plenty of coffee creamer and, best of all, a shower. A nice, hot shower. Thanks, Lenny.
So tired of worried about breaking bottles and all that. We do best.
This is Virginia and Stacy. Virginia is Mike's wife. She makes a mean breakfast, likes biscuits and gravy, and can stay up longer than Stacy. Stacy keeps everybody laughing and drives the short bus. Yep, he calls it short bus.
Now this is the ultimate camp. Brainchild Mike. Hanger on her, Stacy.
Yeah, he's a designated drunk. That's on his shirt.
Yeah, no dedicated friend, Lenny. And Lenny's little girl, Callie. Callie Sue. Hey, Callie. You gonna smile for the camera?
Where'd she go?
Say hello, Lynn.
This is Lynn, Stacy's wife. She doesn't like cameras.
I got you.
Now, I had a lot of good times with this crew. It's hard to put a lot of the conversations and antics on YouTube because everyone was playing their sound systems. This means copyright strikes and demonetization, so I'll have to edit a lot of this video with that in mind. Nevertheless, we let the good times roll.
I knew I'd find you somewhere. How you doing? I saw you did a little mud. Somehow, I knew I'd find you out here.
I would find you again.
I found you. I was like, I wonder where they're at. And I just came out this way.
Right here?
Yeah.
Come here, watch this. All you have to do is stop and hit this down if you need to go into four-wheel drive, okay?
Yeah, I got one.
You just gotta stop.
Yeah.
If you've been watching any of my videos, you will know that I have my own Can-Am Outlander. And I did tell Stacy and his friend that I owned one, and even showed them pictures. But for some reason, adult beverages probably, they insisted that I need to feel the power of this Outlander. Not only that, but felt I needed a lesson on how to operate one. I finally gave in and wrote it just to make them happy.
You got no brakes.
I know, buddy. Why do you need brakes?
The bike has brakes.
No. Go again.
No.
No.
I know what it does.
If you've been involved in an accident, don't wait to call lawyer. The insurance companies are already working on your case. Don't give them a head start. Call the aggressive attorneys.
Yeah, where did Mike go?
Toll free at
Don't let her do it. No, get off. Oh, hell to the no.
Go again! Go again!
Go through one time with a four-wheel drive.
Do you like it?
Next, it was time to go watch the Saturday festivities.
Respect all the while. These are the life signs. All make a like to shine.
Mr. HD.
What's up?
Hey.
And who do we have? Wait, hold on. Am I recording? Yes. And who do we have here?
I started watching your stuff a while back. That's the only reason I know about this place.
Oh, nice. So you got a channel?
Yes, I do.
Oh, all right. Let me see. Oh, so, okay. Nice. Let's see.
Subtac Off-Road Life.
All right. So let's check it out. What's your name again?
Greg.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Nice meeting you.
Thank you. So how long you been doing this?
Well, I started YouTube in 2009, but I've been doing the off-road stuff for about a year and a half now.
Oh, okay. All right. So we got to check out his channel.
Yeah.
Very good. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
And once again, we find the crew tearing it up.
It works good.
All right, that was a busy day. I made so much more video than I could ever put up, and I would just end up boring everybody. I probably do anyway. If you did enjoy it, I sure do appreciate you staying this long. And before we get out of here, if you have not yet subscribed, please do so. I put out a video at least once a week, sometimes more if I can. This is the kind of stuff I do. I go out at different parks, I ride different places, I meet different people, I tell the stories, I put it on video, and I share it with you. Also, if you haven't yet done so, please go to my Facebook page, Subtac Off-Road Life, my Instagram page, Subtac Off-Road Life. Give them the likes and follows that they deserve, that they need. I need those numbers up. It's fun stuff, but it's all about the numbers sometimes too. I do appreciate you sticking along this far. Stay tuned for Bogs and Boulders 10th anniversary. It's a muddy mess, and we got some good mud riding going on there. I will talk to you then. Bye-bye.
Now he's gonna drag it away.